mulching bucket on. I'm going to be heading up the property again. And I'm going to be going next to my house. And I got a footing I need to dig for my entryway. I also got a bunch of rocks I need to move. So I got the track loader up and running again. And it's in position, ready to go. I'm going to be loading some rock into the track loader. And then I'm going to dig some footings. So I'm just going to bring her around, and I got to get down. I got to move this irrigation line here. I'll show you guys where I'm going. That's where I'm going, where the track loader is. So I'm going to make an entryway from the house to the pad that I built up, and I got my crazy boulder wall that I made. So I did all this. I made this cut, flattened this area out. That's going to be parking. But I got to go around and to get there. You know, I got a high spot right here. I wonder if I can chip this away with the bucket. I don't like ripping with these, but you know what? I did build this up. Yeah, so much power in this machine. Just take care of that little high spot right there. All right, I thought I was gonna have to bring the hammer up here just for that, but I was gonna use my hammer drill, but this is way easier. All right, that's pretty good. Let's clean her up a little bit. With this machine every time I go around the property. Just so capable. I mean, that would have taken me an hour with the dang hammer drill. So patch that in there tight. Alright. Nice. So much ground pressure with this bucket. It's awesome. You don't really have to hammer it down that much. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to position right in this spot in front of me, and then I'm going to move the track loader right in this spot here facing forward. I'll be able to load her up. Out of here. So just got to be real careful. I don't want to smash my track loader. blend these into this pit on the side here. There's kind of a hole down in here. So that's working out pretty good. We dumped a bunch in here before. Working out good with grabbing or dumping the rock and grabbing the dirt on the way back. Pretty much done with grabbing this dirt. I could dump a little bit more here, and then maybe on the side there. Enough to plant some flowers right along the edge. And this actually is going to save me a lot of gravel, because I was going to dump gravel into this edge here. Alright, this is the last loading with the excavator. I got it pretty packed. So the rest of it I'm gonna just grab by hand, clean this up real quick. Alright, so I got all that rock moved. The skid steer track loader's working great again. I'm excited to get her going again. So I am gonna be off to the next project here. So be looking out for the next video. I'm gonna be digging a footing for an entryway for my house here. And I've been using the excavator for that, and I'm going to be moving some gravel with the skid steer track loader. So all right, so we decided to take this tree down. It is dying. It looks like it's dead. I inspected it. There's a bunch of borer beetles that went into it and killed it. So I'm gonna take it down. My wife wants it down too, so it's going down. And I got a hump underneath it that I'm gonna try and rip with this bucket. My ripper's down at the bottom of the property, so I'm hoping I can do it with the bucket. I don't like doing it, but hopefully it's pretty loose here. I know there's a few hard spots on the backside there, but we'll see what I can do. I'm gonna push it that way, and hopefully all goes well. I gotta get this done quick. All right, that was pretty easy. So I'm hoping this is pretty loose. There's only one hard spot on that side, so stay over here. It's the sun. All right, I'm getting there. There's that hard spot I was talking about, and I don't like gripping with the bucket, but I gotta do it. I'm getting there, and you can see that's the spot I was talking about. So I'm gonna try and rip this down a little bit more. The rest of it's not too bad, and we'll go from there. All right, so looks pretty good. I blended it so I don't have to deal with that with the track loader. I'm just gonna move all this material with the Cat 259D and clean this up. But that's another day. I gotta cut this tree up as well and get this out of here. I'll use the track loader to move all that because this machine's getting out of here in 2 days. So I gotta prep for it. I got a couple more little projects I gotta do on my way out, and then it's out of here. try not to cut too close because I'm gonna hit the dirt. Build a new blade. Let's do what I gotta do. Alright, that's how I do it. Okay, got them cut up to the lengths I want. Now I gotta clean it up. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next project. I got a lot more projects coming out soon, so stick around. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We got a lot of cool excavation stuff going on here. Check out my old videos. I got tons of cool videos with excavation, so if you're into that, check it out. And I'll be using this thing in most of my work, most of my jobs, and this Cat 259D skid steer track loader. So we'll talk to you guys in the next one.